Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see, I'm back in my bathroom, which means we're doing something with my hair. So I am about a month post relaxer. I got my hair done in August, like a couple days before my birthday. And I don't know what I've been doing because I haven't washed my hair since I haven't washed my hair since then. I don't know what I've been doing. Probably just really getting tired of being home. Very tired of being home. But yeah, so here I am taking care of my hair. So I'm going to be using I'm going to be deep conditioning today. So I'm going to be using the 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner by Aussie. I actually really liked it a lot the last few times I've used it, so it seems pretty good. My usual products to wash and normally condition my hair, which is the Pantene Truly Relax conditioner and shampoo, as well as the Eden Body Works Natural Peppermint and Tea Tree shampoo to cleanse and clarify my scalp because I know I need it. So yeah, I don't know. Sometimes this happens where like I'm just really unmotivated to do anything with my hair. So what's gonna call it? Before I got my hair relaxed in August, the last time I relaxed was March, right before St. Patrick's Day. So I was about 4 or 5 months out. I got a trim with this recent relaxer. I got more than a trim, honestly. And if you watched my birthday Get Ready With Me, I'll leave an eye above, then I think I heard me talking about it and I was quite disappointed. I'm just gonna detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. So yeah, I got a trim and it appears my stylist cut some layers into my hair. I don't know why, because I didn't ask for that. I only said, when she asked me, do you want to trim these ends? Yes, I would like to trim these ends. It was time for a trim. My previous trim was 5 months prior in March. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not crazy. It's time for a trim, definitely. But I'm noticing some things about this trim that are quite alarming and upsetting. So I would normally be able to put my hair in like a high pony with no problem, still have a lot of length. Yeah, no, not really having a lot of length there. I usually would do like a floppy bun, and there every once in a while there'd be like a couple little pieces of hair sticking out of my bun. Yeah, no, I've got like a lot of hair sticking out of my bun. If I do a top bun, typically I'd be able to wrap it around with no problem, pin it, you know, and I get a couple flyaway hairs that I can pin down. I'm getting more than flyaway hairs that I have to pin down. So obviously what she did with these layers is this top layer of my hair, which is typically the longest layer, she cut really short. And I realized that when I got home. And it's so annoying because, you know, you ask somebody for a trim. I've been going to the stylist for 20 years. About 20 years. I've been going here since I was 6. No, yeah, 6 or 7. And by this point in time, in the journey we have been on, she knows that I am not someone fond of haircuts. And I used to run from the scissors. And I'm like, listen, if you're gonna trim it, give me a trim, not a cut, but a trim. And for a little while, we seem to be on the same page. Apparently not. Apparently we're not on the same page anymore. So yeah, we will see once this is in its blowout state, because y'all know I like to rock the blowout for a little while. We'll see how crazy or not crazy this looks. Hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, that's just a serious pet peeve I hate, is that I'm like, listen, I want a trim, give me a trim. And she's always on the phone when she's doing my hair. Man, I'm just on the phone or talking to people. And usually when she makes a mistake or she messes up my hair, it's when she's talking to people. Just golly. And my stylist is also Jamaican, so I'm kind of like, what's wrong with islanders? Why y'all talk so much? Like, there's a time for everybody, and why everybody in these island shops, everybody, all their friends want to come over? This is not the hangout spot. Go home. This is someone's business. This is their place of work. They're here to do a job. But everybody want to come hang out, wagwan and da-da-da this, and somebody doing this, and somebody baby mother doing that. Who cares? sorry, I don't know why I went off this tangent. I love Jamaicans. I am a Jamaican American. I love my people, but damn, time and place. My impromptu rant and detangling my hair. So from where it's at here, it doesn't look like too much of a difference from where it was before the last time I filmed. And I showed you guys my hair, and that was pre-relaxer. That was 4 months post previous relaxer. I don't look like, in the front I've lost a lot of length, and I'll turn around and show you guys the back. So of course have that. I probably have like a indent in my hair from the ponytail holder, but yeah, I'll do a side-by-side in terms of what it looked like, my hair before, in my last video to now. So from the front, it really doesn't look like I lost too much length, and of course it has grown out a little bit since the initial trim in August. If in my birthday get ready with me, I do my hair in that video, so you can actually see, I was curling my hair in my flat iron, so you can actually see what it looks like down. But yeah, so I'm going to get in the shower and I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'm gonna come back when I am putting the conditioner in my hair. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, now that I've got my argan oil of Morocco in my hair, I've sprayed it with, it's still wet, I've sprayed it with my Chi 44 Iron Guard. Now I'm going to have my mom detangle it with my PCJ detangling spray, and then she's gonna put in the PCJ cream oil moisturizer and then blow dry, and I'll be back to show you guys how it looks when it's dry. We are now dry. I just put some argan oil in my hair like I normally would, and it feels really, really good. Feels super good. Okay, this is the back. That is it. What's this? My hair feels really good, very moisturized. I did actually a really good job detangling this with my hands while I was in the shower. So my mom didn't have a ton of detangling to do. I also used this giant ass comb. But it feels really good. I can see like where she cut the layers in this, but it's not too bad. I think you guys can probably see it towards the back, towards the bottom. But it doesn't look crazy. But but this actually looks pretty good. It is shorter. Like, it looks like it's not too much shorter, but it is shorter. Before, like, I could definitely reach around and grab more hair than just this. Like, I can only grab it a little bit. But I'm assuming because of the layers, it has that appearance of having just a little bit more length. But so far so good, and this is my 1 month post relaxer update. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. Remember, your girl is uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesdays at 7 p. EST and Saturday at 3:30 p. EST. Hit the description box so that way you can see all the links to all my social medias, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.